Welcome back, Painting and Drawing. When we left off over a month ago on campus, we were working on a project called Into the Deep, based off of the artist Yelena James. And her style is abstract mixed media art that uses bright colors and dark backgrounds. So your goal for this project is to use the element of art line and bright colors and to create an abstract drawing. So abstract means that it's something that you wouldn't be able to see in real life, but we're going to use objects from life that would, the shapes of those that would be included in an abstract drawing. And we're going to use them repeatedly and overlapping so that it gives the illusion of depth. So we're looking at space as well as line. So when you overlap an object in an artwork, it creates, or a 2D shape in artwork, it creates the illusion of depth. And you can see in the example on the screen that Yelena James does that in her artwork. We can see the same similar shapes that are repeated at different sizes. So as objects get further away, they get smaller. And so you can create the illusion of space with overlapping and with changing the size of your underwater objects. So say you did fish, maybe you would have a variety of fish, the same shape of a fish that is repeated, and it just gets smaller as it gets as it's overlapped. So aim for depth, aim for repetition, repeating lines. And here's my example here. I've used starfish and sand dollars along with curved lines around the outside to create that repetition. So email me if you have any questions, follow the instruction sheet, and good luck.